Alright guys, in this video we're going to be looking at permutations of n objects taken r at a time. And there are certain rules when it comes to this permutation formula that we'll be introducing. It says, an arrangement of n objects in a specific order using r of those objects without replacement is called a permutation of n objects taken r at a time. It is written in a notation of having n objects, choosing r. And it's calculated using the formula of n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Now, there are certain rules that comes when we're using this permutation formula. The first rule is without replacement, which means we're not repeating objects, the same object. Rule number 2 is objects must be distinct. Objects are distinct. And for this one, number 3, the order matters in which we choose in objects. In which we are choosing objects. Okay. If those 3 are satisfied, then this is a permutation of n objects taken r at a time. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this using the formula, how to use it using a website I call Calculator Soup. Now, in this one it says, in a lottery game, 40 numbered ping pong balls are put into a bin and 4 chosen at random, one at a time. To win the game, players need to match all 4 numbers in the order in which they are drawn. How many different winning orders are there? Okay, I'm going to first introduce it using the fundamental counting principle. For winning order, we must match all 4 numbers in the order that they're selected. And there are 40 ping pong balls, and 4 are being chosen. So ball 1, ball 2, ball 3, and ball 4. And this is used to find the number of winning orders that we can have. So, for the first slot, there are 40 viable balls with numbers 1 through 40. 40 options that can help me get to the first winning number, the first number of my winning sequence. So 40 can go here. Once the ball selected is not being picked anymore, the balls are distinct with different numbers. So say if I choose the number 5, say if the ball number 5 comes up, I cannot choose number 5 anymore. Number 5 cannot be picked anymore. Therefore, there's only 39 balls that can be selected after that. Let's say out of my 39 balls, the ball option of 28 appears. So now 5 is gone, 28 is gone, which means there are 38 balls left for us to pick from. Let's say we pick the number of 32. So now we can no longer pick 5, 28, and 32, which means there are 37 balls left to be selected. And now, according to the fundamental counting principle, I can just multiply these and I get my answer. So that's going to be 40 times 39 times 38 times 37. And that gives us 2,193,360 winning orders. Are possible. And this is why the lottery is not rigged, but it's hard to win. Because look at all these possible winning orders you can have, where only one order would be correct. So the probability of getting the exact winning order will be 1 out of 2,193,360, which is super small. Okay. Now I'm going to set it up using the permutation formula now, which is here. So the permutation, the order matters in this case, of having 40 balls, and I must choose 4, will equal to n factorial, which is going to be 40 factorial, divided by, in parentheses, 40 minus 4 factorial. So we have 40 factorial divided by 36 factorial. I'm going to expand the 40 factorial until I get to the 36 in the bottom. So it's going to be 40 times 39 times 38 times 37 times 36 factorial. Have my 36 factorial here. And those two can simplify each other out, leaving me with just 40 times 39 times 38 times 37. And if you notice, that is the same set of numbers that we have up here. And that's going to equal to 2,193,360 winning possibilities. So it's the same approach, just using the formula. The same answer. And last but not least, when it comes to permutations, where you're satisfying these three rules, these must be satisfied. You can use a website called Calculator Soup, which I'm going to show you. Let's type in actually Calculator Soup. Permutation. Type in that one. Click on that first one and it comes up. You're going to put in your N, which is 40. Your R, which is 4. Hit calculate. And that is your answer. The same one as before. Alright guys, that is it to this video. Hope you guys find it helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Once again, website is Calculator Soup. And the answer will remain the same.